Hello and welcome to the highlights of match 11 of the Pakistan Junior League. Rawalpindi Raiders face off with Gujranwala Giants at the Lahore's Gaddafi Stadium. The toss was won by Gujranwala Giants and they decided to bowl first. Both the teams making one change. Ali Ishaq comes in for the Rawalpindi Raiders, whereas Gujranwala Giants bring in Azan Owais, the extra batter. Let's join our commentators as the action begins in match 11 of the PJL.
But left arm orthodox, and he's going to have to reload that one. Looking to go over the top. Cries of catch it. Hasn't got everything on it, but the outfield's reasonably quick. And a bit of tag teamwork at the end. Saves the boundary eventually. Some bounce and steered away to that vacant region. That's gone for 4. Over pitch that time, and that's creamed through the covers for 4. Back-to-back boundaries.
Yeah, it's a beautiful shot from Habibullah.
Looking to go over the top this time and does it quite comfortably. Just the one bounce and careens into the advertising hoarding. Nicely struck, and he's found the gap as well. Scampering to the left, and it's gone for 4 very quickly.
Yeah, that shot again really highlights how good this pitch is.
Down the ground and strong. Beautifully struck. Just inside the advertising triangle. One bounce. Slower bouncer. Just got away from a diving, sprawling fieldsman at short, fine leg, and it's gone for 4 first ball. That is going to be out. Nicely done. That's how you do it. He says, if you can't catch him, I will.
Into the surface, you see that just frustrated. Esekeli wants to go after it. And like you say, catch him yourself.
Cuts away, that'll be boundary. It was too short. Had enough time to rock back and cut it through point. That's well done. He's just a bit touch unlucky that has gone through the gap. But he followed the batter, saw him coming down and bowled it a little quicker as well. Shot and picked up. Opportunity. Gone. Good placement, good catch.
Now this catch is a lot more difficult than he's made it look. He's judged it very well. In the end, he's had to dive forward and get the hands underneath it.
That's gonna go. It's with the pace of the ball. 4 runs.
Yeah, more a thickish edge. He was looking to go squarer.
That's away. That's going to be a boundary. I needed that. I needed that badly. Looking to go hard down the ground. Has he gone far enough? Yes, he has. 6 runs. That's how you do it, says the skipper.
The off spinner going full becoming a little too predictable from this angle, and Habibullah, the captain, goes down the ground.
Yeah, the length was short and it's cleared. Maximum, and that also brings in Habibullah's 50. First 50 for him, the captain leading the way. 54 with that maximum of 50 deliveries. Inside edge, no pace on it whatsoever, and he has been dismissed.
What he does is he just bowls into the surface. It looked like that was an attempted little arm ball into the surface. So there's no real pace on it, inside edge. And it's the end of a good innings from Habibullah, 55 from 53. The Raiders, the unlucky number, 111 for 3.
He's hit that in the air. It doesn't have any distance on it, and it's been taken. Aspinwall takes the catch. Another wicket falls.
Again, look how the bowlers, they're learning into the surface. If you're going to get hit square. It's always harder to hit squarer and bigger. Big gap straight. Good catch by Tom Aspinwall. He's having a good day today. Oh, he's going to get run out. Just pick the ball up, take your time. This is ridiculous. A ridiculous run, a ridiculous shout. What is he doing? It goes straight back to the bowler. No communication.
It's in the air. Should be out. Yes, it is. It'll be very tough to hit Trump out of the park. He will give you variations and no pace whatsoever.
The captain was Multaz, who's the captain. You're right. This one a little bit of pace on it. Wasn't the slower delivery, but I like the fact that he took his time. He knows where the cushioning is. I'm being impressed with Matthew Trump so far. In the air again. The captain gets underneath it. Should be taken. Is taken. Slower ball from Trump. Zaya-Ullah.
Yeah, this is exactly what Trump will do. Back of the hand. He's bowled it wide, and the batsman has to put a lot of force behind it, but only can manage it. Oh, wow. That's exactly what you need in the overs where you're trying to be hit on every ball. Yoked him out.
This one pace on. So clever because new batter probably thinks he's going to take pace off, a slower delivery.
Catch it is the call, and he's gone. So he wanted strike to hit it big, but again he finds Uzair Mumtaz.
Into the surface and saying to Kai Smith, try and get me over mid-off, an extra cover. He couldn't. So got on strike and then has to depart. Another good catch by the captain.
Oh, as there it is. They don't bat 20 overs. What a comeback and what game plan from the Gujranwala Giants. They've bowled so well, they've understood the surface, and they've done exactly according to the plan. The Rawalpindi Raiders wanted to bat first and they made a mess of it. Had a good start with 45 in the power play, but in 7 to 15 they managed 55 runs only, and that's when the nosedive happened. They lost 8 wickets for just 16 runs, only managed 128 in 19.3 overs, and they were bowled out. Gujranwala Giants bowlers understood the surface perfectly, got those wickets going. Leading the way was Matthew Trump, 3 for 19, and Ibtisam 3 for 23. The target is pretty clear, 129 to win for the Giants. Can they score their first 2 points in the PJL?
129 the target. Nice bit of movement, nice shape away from the left arm.
Just the start that they would have wanted.
Oh, a nice crisp shot. Hesitation, the run between the wickets, and I think they picked up their first wicket. The Raiders are going to be very happy with that.
Realised that it had to be the direct hit.
And he's going to see red as well, I'm afraid. Giving a chat to his charges. Full toss, friendly full toss. And put away, as it should have been done. Oh, that's pretty close. Yep, up goes that finger. Daniel in at number 4. Whips that away. Lovely shot, little half volley roundabout leg stump. It's exactly what you want as you arrive at the crease. Oh, that's good connection too. One bounce for.
Chipped in the air. And they will beat their best power play with that boundary off the last delivery. So power play done, 35 for 2.
Was bowling full and straight. Siobhan Daniel using the crease, using his feet. Comes down the ground. He knew that it was the last ball of the power play. Went for the maximum.
And see there that Siobhan Daniel decides he's going to go all the way and does. Just misses our cameraman Tex, who gets his camera out the way. There he is.
He has been very, very impressive. Siobhan Daniel, whenever he has walked onto the pitch, he has looked really good. Takes the calculated risks. They are chasing.
That's a shot. He's made up his mind that this is probably the over where they can accelerate a bit, and they are.
Oh, this is a good stroke. And he's maneuvered himself outside the line of the off stump.
That's gone through the gap. Brilliant shot and a brilliant over for the Giants. 15 off it, 79 for 2. Catch it is the call, but he's hit it again so hard and little too wide, and the fielder has signaled a 6. Just probably hit that boundary skirting on the full. Quick run, misfield. That's how you put pressure on the fielder inside the circle. 50 up for Siobhan Daniel. Second 50 in the PJL for him. And now he's just 5 runs away to be the highest scorer in the tournament.
Put him down. It was in the air for a long time, but it wasn't a difficult catch. Opportunity given at the end of the 14th. Gujranwala 106 for 2.
You saw he rushed at the ball, he got underneath it, but he's still on the move. He's not still when the ball has come to him and he has dropped it. Look at that. He's still running. He could have been in that position a little earlier.
Oh, that's gone in the air. And taken. No good here, Hassan Isakhel.
Yeah, he's taken the catch. He's dismissed Siobhan Daniel, but he's hurt his thumb. Isakhel. You can tell by the reaction that the catches that weren't taken.
A bit of a half volley, eased away into the cover region, running that first one hard is the way you go about it. That's just one at this stage. Brings up 50. 36 deliveries. 3 4s and a couple of 6s as well. Nicely played. Mumtaz. That's gone one way, ball's gone the other. Only the ball's been caught.
Just threw it out of his hands, ball went up. He thinks I'll walk off. No, I've got to go and get me bat.
Oh, in the air again. Have they lost another one? I think they might have. Oh, they've thrown that one away. Majid, he's on his way now.
What are they doing? He came in, he looked like he just wanted to finish it in one shot. You still need 19. Can't do it in one shot. You've got someone else at the other end, your captain, who's 50 off 36. I totally understand you're trying to get the game done because of run rate, but just get the points on the board. Simple catch.
Oh, he's got a low full toss. He's worked that away to a man a deep backwards square. They won't be able to come back with a second. Yes, they can. It's only going to be 1 run, though. I think that's going to be on his way.
Now watch the keeper takes his gloves off. I think it is fine. Given out.
Slow delivery. Got underneath that. He's picked it up, and he's picked it up for 4. That is a very, very nice shot indeed. Going over the top safely. And that's going to be it. The Giants have got up. They'll be very, very pleased with that. Big smiles in the dugout. Momtaz has played a very good knock. He's going to finish on 56 not out. So it's been a very good performance by him in particular. 42 balls, 3 4s and a couple of 6s. So that strike rate is healthy. Getting the handshakes from the Raiders in the middle.
But in 18.1 overs, Giants finally got their 2 points. The well-deserved win for them with that 98-run partnership between the captain Uzair Mumtaz and his partner Siobhan Daniel. Both of them getting a half a century each and taking their side home. Not only they win this match and get their first 2 points, they also better their net run rate. Rawalpindi Raiders first faltered with the bat, and then with the ball they didn't have much purchase. Only in the last, when they started getting those wickets, it was a touch too late for them to recover all the way. Eventually, the match summary tells us that Rawalpindi Raiders, batting first, got 128 all out in 19.3. Gujranwala Giants' decision to bowl first worked for them. They were very good with the ball, and eventually with the bat also were superior. 129 for 6 in 18.1 overs. Gujranwala Giants won this match by 4 wickets. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of match 11 of the PJL. Until next time, it's goodbye.